while we're here, for one, we can fling ourselves across the universe. Aha! There's a thing. Sing Street. Another street sign. Why offer medical assistance to known criminals? Because some people actually believe it's their job just to help people. And even known criminals might not be criminal at the moment, or could, you know, change their ways and improve society later. Basically, there's a lot of doctors out there who just really don't want to make judgments on the people that they help.
Targeting all of my comm frequencies. Luckily, I know a few tricks. So get to Brainiac's ground zero. With all those troops and ships, he'll start bottling any moment unless you stop him.
Alright, and the last part of our mission. I'm pretty sure there's the last part of our mission. Here we go. Return to the police station. Okay. Side mission, one of us. I actually need to finish that one. But it appears I can do that here. That's handy.
Give me some time to get this barrel secured.
And we're back to fighting Scarecrow.
Don't forget to scream. Live the nightmare.
Alright, he secured a barrel, and we can take this barrel to somewhere. Ah, there we go. There's the drop-off point. Boom. Oh, but there's Iron Curtain. That's hilarious. Iron Curtain is an NPC bad girl.
I'll put you away for this, you costume thug.
She's not very powerful. She's basically a street level side diversion. And you'll see a lot of her as you roam out and about. So we just helped that police officer and locked her up.
Experiment 504. The rostral anterior cingulate cortex gives us some semblance of control over our fear.
No, wait! You're not thinking
Oh, that's a hazmat tech.
That gas really has a hold on you. Better take care.
Sometimes the character you have makes some of these missions extremely hilarious. For example, if your character is literally a zombie.
You're hallucinating! I'm a friend! You've got to focus. Don't let the fear take control. I'll get some help.
Or a robot, or in a suit of power armor, which fear gas can't get through. Although I like the literally a zombie one the best.
Live the nightmare.
The hallucinations are getting to you. Try and fight it. I've got her for you.
Oh hey, the cinema. We need to go here for something. Let's see, I know there's something's around here somewhere. Oh hey, hazmat officer.
Guard me while I seal up this spirit gas barrel.
There they are.
Don't forget to scream.
I never should have dropped out of business school. You doing all right? Try not to inhale so much.
Alright, I just leveled up. And I got a new power.
Can you get this barrel out of here?
We'll get the barrel out of here and then we'll go do the thing with the stuff that we came here to do. Ooh, a distraction. Let's get distracted by it.
No, wait! You're not thinking straight.
Iron Curtain? I don't think she's actually from Russia. I just think it's whatever she chose as her goofy nickname. To be honest, if she has a background, I'm not really aware of it. Ooh. This is an important place. This is the alley where Bruce Wayne's parents were killed. Batman comes by on their anniversary and leaves some roses on the spot. We also got a Chivo for it, so hey. There's our kiosk.
There are places in Gotham's East End where even Booster Gold fears to tread because they're creepy and dangerous. Worst is Crime Alley. Once an upper-class area known as Park Row, Crime Alley got its name for the murder of Thomas and Martha Wayne, two of Gotham's most prominent philanthropists. Their deaths mark Gotham's slide into tragedy and despair.
So, you know, a great place to tour.
I've given Dr. Leslie Tompkins an antidote for the gas, but that's not enough to stop Scarecrow's thugs. We have to get the fear gas barrels off the street. Get to their supply depot by the chemical factory. No matter what you see, don't let the effects of the fear gas scare you off.
Also, I'm pretty sure we got some new gear over time. We've got that goodie. That's a collectible. We've got some other goodies. Some other collectible goodies. We'll just eat those. No equipment yet, so... I don't know if we have some new styles to wear. But let's check anyway. We could wear the full cross mask, but that makes us look a little too edgy, really. Not into it. Let's go back to the business glasses. I like them a little more. As for hands, we're already wearing the latest and greatest, the antifreeze. We could wear the slimline jeans, but they don't really match with what we're doing, so we'll just stick with jeans. Back, no, and primary weapon, bare hands. So, we got what we got. This is what we look like right now. Let's secure some more barrels and clean up the streets.
We need to get this spear gas barrel out of here. Keep an eye out for me while I secure it.
Oh, that's a problem.
Breathe in your fear.
Barrel secure. Grab it.
Alright, there's the drop-off point, so we'll just super speed our way over there. We'll just jump away from any bad guys.
I've given Dr. Leslie Tompkins an antidote for the gas, but that's not enough to stop Scarecrow's thugs. We have to get the fear gas barrels off the street. Get to their supply depot by the chemical factory. No matter what you see, don't let the effects of the fear gas scare you off.
Incidentally, Gotham police have the coolest cars.
Dr. Tompkins has finished synthesizing my antidote, but Scarecrow's gang is assaulting the area to keep the doctors in hazmat from helping anyone. Protect the doctors, and ensure as many citizens as possible get that antidote.
Don't hurt you, terror.
There we go. I thought I saw a protecting bit on my map. In any case, the arrow is pointing us this way, so this way we shall go. We'll travel by ground instead of jumping from building to building this time.
Target cool.
That way we can go through dark alleys. Because there's absolutely nothing wrong with going through dark alleys in Gotham. It is an entirely safe city. With glowies. It's glowy. Yes, my character moves like a hamster. I don't know why. Just speed, stop, darting around, all that fun stuff. Hey, Harvs.
Great. Another costume freak. That's just what Gotham needs. Look, pal, I've got doctors distributing antidote, hazmat teams getting air scrubbers running, and we're after our donut holes in Scarecrow scum. So stop standing around and do something, or get lost.
Well, not the best company, but he's not wrong either. Oh. He was able to knock me down because he protected himself while I was doing a power attack. And if you hit somebody who is protecting themselves with a power attack, it knocks you down instead of them. I could do that back to the bad guys as well. And indeed, it's one of the strategies for fighting in this game. Aha! I see something. I see something green.
Experiment 81. Adverse reactions to specific stimuli can eventually be removed from the subject via carefully measured exposure.
Alright. That's another part of the, that's another investigation bit of this quest chain. Which is one of the things I was looking for as I ran around. One of the reasons why I was running around. Okay, see that red beam over there with the flamey people? I don't want none of that. That's a high level thing, and I am not high. Ooh, a blue glowy. Let's go check that out.
This is Booster Gold, and when I need energy, I just reach for a delicious, crisp, refreshing Soda Cola. Give yourself a boost with Soda Cola.
Soda Cola is, of course, the healing item for this particular game. I have a bunch of them myself. Well, my character does. I don't.
Bullock to dispatch. We found Scarecrow's hideout. Batwoman's going in.
Did I read that, Officer Bullock? Batwoman's going in?
Yeah. She's a new kid in town. Oh, but you ain't seen this chick in action. She doesn't clear Scarecrow out, we ain't got a chance. I'll say this for bat costumed freaks. Whew, when they hit hard.
Yeah, more comic book stuff. If this one random, albeit well-trained woman with no particular superpowers can't clear out the Scarecrow, then us, a police force of many officers armed with guns, dogs, gas, and other accoutrements of mayhem, have no chance. Kinda silly. But such is the world we live in. Ooh, another greenie. I just gotta make sure real quick that I'm not gonna get attacked by, say, that guy. Okay.
Experiment 79. Like Ichabod fleeing the Headless Horseman, mediated thought is replaced with a stream of hysteria.
Alright, let's talk to the doctor.
We've got a lot of patients to help, and Scarecrow's thugs are trying to disrupt the treatment.
Oh. I don't know if you could call something that looks like a 10-year-old in a mask a horror, but apparently that's how things work out here.
It's not safe here. I loathe violence. We're going to need some... Oh, good. You're here to help. Keep Scarecrow's men away and help administer the antidote. I have to document this.
Oh, another 10-year-old. In a strange turn of events, you can't actually help people while you're being shot. I guess gunfire is distracting. Alright, now to the rooftops. Let's help our long-suffering hazmat officers get some air scrubbers back. And now I'm running in the entirely wrong direction. How does that happen? Aha, there's a scrubber. It seems to be in operation. Somebody is going around helping people without us.
Well,
Don't hurt me.
I will let him get up first before punching him some more. And these guys will get in my way too if I let them. Oh yeah, I have a swarm of angry plants. I should use that more often.
Dr. Tompkins has finished synthesizing my antidote, but Scarecrow's gang is assaulting the area to keep the doctors in hazmat from helping anyone. Protect the doctors, and ensure as many citizens as possible get that antidote.
I'd like to take a moment to say hello to our new viewers.
I've tracked
Hello.
Scarecrow's lair to the sewers beneath the East End. Batwoman has gone in, and she's out of comm contact. Not good. Get in there and end Scarecrow's reign of terror.
All right. Well, I'm all for ending reigns of terror. That sounds like something that a professional hero would do. But you know what? I feel like I'm overdressed. For one, I've got some power points to spend, I suppose. Sends an enemy flying with an uppercut punch. That sounds fun. And there's how we do it. Tap, 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 and hold. But, you know, let's get back into a proper state of mind. Let's go with bare hands, no waist thing, feet, get our casual shoes on. Chest. Well, we could go with just a sports bra, but that's a little lightly dressed even for me. So we'll go with our schoolyard outfit. We'll need to change the colors on it a little bit, because that yellow looks goofy, but the green looks fine. Actually, it was white, wasn't it? Legs are still our jeans. That's fine. And back. Well, we can keep the cape. We could go to the backpack, which is just right here. And I think that looks cute. I kind of like the idea of a cape on a normal outfit, though. It's silly. But we'll go with the backpack. There we go. Okay, and we would go right there into the Gotham sewer to complete our mission and face down the Scarecrow. But we're not going to do that yet. We still have some things to do. For one, we have a kiosk to use. Remember, we're touring Gotham City. Or at least the old parts of Gotham City. And there are still places to go. Let's see, I thought I saw yellow. Must have been that light right there. As it turns out, prowling atop rooftops is a valuable part of the superhero experience. Oops, we're heading in the wrong direction briefly.